That's not good. It's not always this easy to tell if you need a new roof. Roof damage is often subtle and happens over time. But don't worry, Long Roofing is here to help. There are a few signs to look out for that you might need a roof replacement. The easiest sign? You've got an old roof. If properly installed, the typical roof lasts between 12 to 15 years, and that's if it's not subjected to storm damage. A long roof lasts up to 50 years. Another sign is missing or curling shingles, or, yep, just like this one. Or damaged or missing flashing, which, yikes, you just aren't catching a break. Which means your roof isn't as protected as it should be. Come winter, you've also got to look out for ice damming, which is when the snow and ice on your roof melts, then refreezes again, and prevents more water from being able to fall off your roof. Look out for icicles that are larger than usual. All of these ultimately lead to one major problem: leaks. Now, leaks may not always be as obvious as a steady stream of water pouring into your home. Obvious signs of a leak are discolored ceilings or wet walls. Gross. So, what's the big deal if you've got a little leak here and a little leak there? That. And now there's an entryway for unwanted critters to make themselves at home. Freeloader. Whether your roof is shedding shingles, springing leaks, or just plain old, remember that roof damage only gets worse with time. So call us for a free estimate. We build trust and peace of mind into every long roof.